Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about SEO. So what does that stand for? SEO is a ranking system that helps your search engine, so Google or something like that, show your results of your items on your shop. So basically it picks it up. It's an automatic, it's like meta tags, and meta tags are basically what the item's name is, your web page. It's got a whole lot of like information about it, and what I'll do is I'll link a website that you can go and check out what SEO is and how it works and stuff like that. In this Ecwid, in the free version, it's done automatically for you, so you don't have to worry about it. But in the upgraded version, you can enhance it. And it's basically just giving it a few more options, a few more categories to put your stuff into. And it is handy to make sure that you go in and check it out, but it's not necessary. So if you're going to be promoting your own website out on Facebook and stuff like that, don't worry about it. It's totally fine. But if you're going to let Google try and promote your Hulk hands over someone else's Hulk hands, then you'll want to make sure that you configure your SEO tab properly. Awesome. That's pretty much for this video. Check out the next videos, and we're going to carry on with explaining the tabs. We've only got a few more left, so we'll see you there.